Nazareno, patawarin mo kaming mga makasalanan dito sa mundo. Handog ang buhay mo sa lahat ng katulad ko. Ikaw ang aming Diyos, Poong Jesus Nazareno. Ikaw ang pangangabit sa iyo. Pangaral mo, ang pagmamahal, iaalay namin sa'yo.
Libreng movie ticket sa senior.
O Jesus Nazareno, Nazareno,
This could be it for we talked about everybody's
patawarin mo
Benta ba yung bracelet mo?
kaming mga
Yeah, it's moments, especially in the
dito sa buhay mo.
Papasok ka na bukas, ha?
Sa lahat ng katulad ko,
showing a lot of muscle.
ikaw ang aming Diyos, Poong Jesus
Grabe ka naman sa ano. Pulbusan na.
have to wonder.
buong tapat na susundin
Teka ba,
mga
it's not stopping.
pangaral mo.
Teka ba, at the moment. Mali yung stop na yun eh.
Uy,
Walang focus. Even plainly.
Ano ba?
Grabe, ibang klase. Lucky plays dito.
aalis na po.
Little Edward Center in San Juan. The TV. The Big Manuel. 11 points.
Ikot.
And it's a dahil. Kung
Look mo na. Diretso.
No, sip mo na naman.
Diretso.
May sinayin tayo, di ba? Nakasayin hindi ng malo.
If there's time to give it your all on the court, it is now. Yun ang ipinahayag ni Coach Jerson Cavite sa kanyang
Lang, guys.
pasok sa Laguna ito. With players like Victoria and Pagsanhan out because of their disqualified fouls last game, sabi ni Coach Jerson na everyone really has to step up today.
Sila Serena tumalsik.
Who are playing for the first time in the semis. Nothing new naman daw in terms of their approach during practice and practice game.
Sundan niyo ako. Kukunin ko sila sa Reno dun.
Have been struggling with the flu like Michael Magula and Coach Gerson himself. Kaya now, they are
Isa
such
pa eh.
a reminder that they have that
Tara na.
injury will to win in order to triumph in the series back to them.
Jesus Nazareno. Ay.
Kanino to?
May lalabot ang. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Quiapo Church.
Nasipot mo?
Tara, sali ka. Uy.
Gregorio!
Ang dahil siya kay Lola.
Fortune the night. My goodness. Third time straight.
Dragon Ball mo. Di mo ulit.
Tanong na lang ito. 15 points. Kung dapat analyze ko, sorry din. Down the best from January, kung napakasinan dito. Gonna start if you're Pangasinan.
At 90 ulit.
9-11.
Siguro kalat-kalat yung mga karota dito.
Space against Bermuda after the number 2. Omar, the extra pass, Nato trying to answer. Nato, the bang and the bucket. Para kay John Nato. Very much she's to in the division finals at least. Nakikita mo yung commotion nila, no? Swing of the basketball, open man, miss. But then getting defensive rebound, galing na bonus. That's a big game.
Pero sa totoong buhay, wasak na yan. No, guys. Or naipit to sa taas.
We're taking the shot.
Ano guys,
Meron na swing to the middle.
Dagan ko nga yung video, hinahanap ko siya.
Lagyan mo kay Max Terry ng bigyan natin and then eventually to the three-point play.
Na.
With Memorial off to a fine start as well. 5 straight points. Definitely teams Pangasinan with all the answers right now. But Boa, nice pick. Up on range. One in the work. Kanya, I believe, was the bonus.
Uy, break niya. Wala sa lamig.
Hinahanap ko nga eh.
Lamar quickly to Kevin Nato.
Wait lang guys yun ah.
Nakapatay doon. Here's the bola.
Ito!
Kumaganda na pampunas ng ulan mo.
Alin. Inside to the bonus. Underneath, you want the pass to Iski sa taas. Dahil maliit pa niya patay na this is the screen. Balik the lane open for the game ball to the 7.7.
Bango yan. Tandahan.
Your drill opening with 7.7 now.
Lalubog. Saan kaya?
Parang pinaliguan ng pulpos niya yung mamagit ah.
Gusto ko ng bracelet lollipop.
Is having the upper hand in the points department and the rebounds.
Tingnan ko nga lang rin muna eh.
Anak, ang candy na yan, masakit sa ngipin yan.
Chocolate ka na nga. May bibig kang chocolate eh.
Ano, iwi mo na ito pa?
Well, not really the main guy.
Parang wala ka na pwede mamaya.
For the ball,
Mamaya na lang to.
Teka.
an impact to the offense. 16 points.
Bakit papasok? Oo, papasok. Ay,
Everything going well.
bye-bye guys.